whole bunch of people have asked me to make a video just simply on how to read a file from the Terminator X and how to write a file to the Terminator X. We're gonna do that real quick.
How you do that?
So the first thing you're gonna need to do is get a USB to CAN cable. We're gonna be removing the handheld device from the car and then using this cable so we can connect to the laptop. The fact that this is not included with the Terminator X kit is borderline criminal in my opinion. You can't really do anything without it. And if you did want to leave the little handheld display in the car and still working while you're using this, you can buy a splitter harness. This one's from Current Performance, I guess. But I don't use it for that. I've modified it to work with some other stuff. I'm not a huge fan of the handheld device at all for any type of changes or tuning or anything like that. It's great for monitoring things, but past that, I use the laptop for everything. All right, on the install side of things, this car is a little rough around the edges. It just came in about 10 minutes ago. I'm getting ready to get started on it. All right, so here's the handheld. Gotta unplug it. Which actually looks like it's going out to the engine bay. Yeah, it's rubbing all up on the firewall, so that's gonna be a problem. So maybe it's good we're doing this. These connectors are a little, what the hell is it? It's all pulled apart already. Alright, this is going to be more interesting than I expected. Alright, so we're going to unplug this and then plug our cable in, and I need 2 hands to do that, so I'm going to do that now. Alright, got our USB cable plugged in, and hopefully that sketchy connection actually works. Alright, next thing we're going to do is plug our USB cable into the computer. Next, we're going to put the key in the ignition and just turn it to the on position, not try to start it. Now, the next thing is we don't know which version of the firmware this ECU has in it yet. Now, if it has the wrong version of the firmware, it's going to yell at you and tell you that you need to use the version 2 of the software. But what we'll do is, all right, if I unplug this just so you can see, plug it back in, you can see up here it says USB link. It's kind of a weird name, but that's ultimately where you're going to connect and disconnect from the ECU. So click on that. And it starts pulling everything that's currently on the computer onto here. And it looks like it has a firmware version where we'll use version 1 of the software. Yeah, so now we can look at everything that is on the tune file that's in the car currently. So what's a little bit interesting here is, you know, you're always told that the car hasn't been driven hard, but you can see here this one's been revved 7,000 RPM at full throttle. So there's that. And this thing's got 30 degrees of timing in it. So you saw it's got 30% correction, 30 degrees of timing, so we're not off to a good start. So now let's say you want to make a change. Well, let's just make this 29 degrees. And now we want this to write to the ECU. Now if you make changes while you're not connected to the ECU, and then you go click on USB link, it's going to tell you that the spark has failed. In which case you just click right here, send to ECU, because we want to send what we just did to the computer. And that's all there is to it. All right, now I'm going to save this.
Some girls don't know the alphabet. Some girls do.
All right, and let's say you want to get rid of the file that's currently open. Just hit close global file. Now if we go to file, open global file, I'm just gonna click on this. Now when we click USB link, it's gonna tell us that there's changes. Now even though we made changes to only the spark, which says failed, but it's gonna say failed for the fuel as well because of the learn file or the learn table. So when I was first doing these, I was a little confused as to why it always said fuel failed, but that's why. And then from here, you just click send to ECU. And now your changes are made. Like I said, this one's gonna be quick. That's all there is to it. And if you have any other questions, just let me know.
So it's all good.